Nigerian lady don't throw big party only in the name of say you don't divorce my people. No be small but I beg make una no mind the way they laugh. I don't know about divorce party. Are they used to birthday? Are they used to wedding? Are they, you understand? I don't know divorce. Now the first time where they hear this one and the name they say now Dr. Ike Bello. They say divorce. And after a divorce, nobody knows. Maybe na based on they beat them. Maybe na I don't know. But it's if una see party, hey, Chineke. They even put what they call that thing? Write-ups. The write-ups when they this party and no be here. They first start with I do. Una no say if person they marry, they will say yes I do. They start with I do. Then followed by I did, meaning you understand? Then it followed by I'm done presently. So you follow like different things. Divorce at last. The one where even shock me now, they even get dress code. Hey, Chineke. All red. Now only she as the queen of the divorcee. Now only she wear waiting with that color purple. I beg I don't bring a corner aside. So that when I go see her with una, I see people they celebrate divorce. Join me, make me watch the video.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Congrats, oh my sister. Wait till you want make a tell her. Congratulations, oh I beg. More divorces come your way. I be now swear. I not swear. Now I just the wish and way. You understand? And now we. The way even they look this group, as all of them be like that. The way they look all of them for this group. Now only one message I just they get. People like this, they know if you sit down for husband house. If you like, give me, say anything you want to say. Me, I don't talk. I don't talk. They not fit sit down inside my house now. See, no, just look at them. Go back and picture. Look at how everything just look. And I want to say this celebration now, where una they do freedom, 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 shatter, shatter, shatter. I say not be to jump from Emeka to Joshua. I just they hope because some women, my people, not like that. They know they celebrate, say they don't separate because of one important thing. Now just say, okay, now I'm free to move. Now I'm free to do this. Now I'm free to do that. You understand? Very, very important. I beg. See, my own now be say, in the first place, this woman no even supposed to enter marriage. If you don't say you no go even stay for the marriage, or you know, and no, you not supposed just enter the marriage matter if you not ready. I make sure say I beg after you shake body, you don't they give us bakasi. After you shake and finish, because book for counseling, no. Book for counseling session. I know where they talk am. Many people will come outside, they deceive us, say they happy, inside they die. Go and look for somebody to talk to before tomorrow. Now you give me case to come talk here. Say she has died. Oh, she died because of heart attack. She died because of this and this. Denial is not healing. Denial is not growth. I know why they talk am. So I beg, if thank God safe say I remember. If you don't say they watch me, you be counselor, relationship counselor, because look for this girl, Dr. Ike Bello. Look for her and go give her better treatment, because I know she after this party now she go house. Start they cry inside pillow. Innocent pillow. You go sit down there, go they shed tears. So I don't conclude. Since these people no gree give me rest. Maybe because I don't tire. I don't tire. My conclusion now, listen, I go collect the trumpet for Angel Gabriel hand. I go blind by myself. I never tire for these things. Every day one thing they call. Every day one thing they call. Living a toxic relationship or a bad one, no be bad thing. In fact, na the best thing to do. But I no understand which one come be the party, which one come be girls in red, which one come be all the paparazzi. No, na the part wey me I know. Fine, you've left a relationship. Some people say na toxic. Okay, no problem. Na the best step to take. But why all this many sengemenge? Anyhow, sha, I say make una hear am. People don dey celebrate divorce, and if you know am, biko, make sure say you add this one to the advice wey you go give her. Make you look for counselor. We are not ready to lose another person. Very, very important. So, biko, start dey drop the comment, share this video, and why not click on that notification bell if you want to dey continue to dey see more of this kind matter. Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story.